Rudy, come here, come here.
Hey, caño, caño. Sweet.
If it drops, get it. If it drops, get it.
If it what? It's ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, fine.
Sweet.
Okay. Damn, I ain't asked for this much, but okay.
You're waiting for this moment.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna be honest.
In your way.
I'm gonna be honest.
Let's go.
I'm gonna be honest.
Someone check straight, please.
I got it. I'm gonna touch out fried chicken. All right, chat. This is the only Uruguay fried chicken in the world. They don't have no KFC, chat. They have no KFC. It looks dark. It's the only Uruguay fried chicken. I'm gonna give an honest review. This fried chicken is, what the? Uruguay fried chicken is very good. I'm giving y'all some. Here, fried chicken for everybody. Yeah, y'all need to go eat fried chicken. Fried chicken is amazing. You want one, young lady? Here you go. There you go. All right. I want to eat the rest now. I want to eat the rest. I want to eat the rest. Go, go. Woo! Hey. Good. Hey. Chat, it's good. On God, it's good. It's good. Damn, I want more though. Yeah.
Later?
Yeah. How long?
Let me check.
It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's legit. So I'm saying, well, bro. I can't, bro. Never mind. I only want, like, every time I eat fried chicken on here, one stream.